Hey there gamers! Are you tired of spending countless hours on your favorite games only to end up with sore thumbs and an empty wallet? Well, what if I told you there's a way to turn your gaming hobby into a sweet source of income? That's right, my fellow gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to level up your bank account by doing what you love most. Welcome back to Daytime Dollar Channel. Before we dive into the strategies, let me be clear. I'm not talking about winning the lottery or becoming a professional esports player. No. We're going to explore some lesser known but highly effective methods to monetize your gaming skills. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this for real? Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is. So, grab your favorite gaming chair. Put on those gaming socks. Let's get started on this quest to financial success. Step 1, my friends, is all about building your personal brand. Just like your favorite streamers and content creators, you need to stand out from the crowd. Be unique. Whether it's through your gaming style, commentary, or even your epic dance moves, find that special something that makes you memorable. Because in the gaming world, being memorable is key to attracting viewers and potential sponsors. Step 2. Harness the power of social media. Create profiles on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter. Share your epic gaming moments. Engage with your audience and establish a loyal following. Trust me, my fellow gamers, when I say that a strong online presence can unlock incredible opportunities. Step 3. It's time to become a content creator. Now, this doesn't mean you have to be a video editing wizard or a master of Photoshop. Start simple, my friends. Record your gameplay, add some entertaining commentary, and share it with the world. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly upload content and watch your subscriber count soar like a dragon taking flight. Step 4. Gear up like a boss. If you want to take your gaming career to the next level, you need the right tools. Invest in quality gaming equipment, from high-performance graphics cards to top-notch microphones. Trust me, my friends, when your setup looks as impressive as your gaming skills, people will take notice. Step 5. Embrace the power of merch. Just like a superhero flaunts their costume, you too can have your very own gaming merchandise. From t-shirts to mugs, create a line of products that showcases your unique brand. Not only will this make you feel like a gaming superstar, but it's also an awesome way to generate some extra income. And my fellow gamers, step 6, hone your skills and become a gaming coach. If you're a pro at a specific game or have exceptional expertise, why not share your knowledge and teach others? Offer coaching or tutorials either through private lessons or by creating comprehensive guides. There are plenty of gamers out there eager to improve, and they'll be willing to pay for your guidance. Step 7, explore affiliate marketing opportunities. As a gamer, you're in a unique position to recommend gaming gear, accessories, and even games themselves. Sign up for affiliate programs and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your referral links. It's like getting paid to be a gaming influencer. Step 8, consider mobile gaming apps. In addition to PC and console gaming, mobile gaming has exploded in popularity. Explore opportunities to create content or stream mobile games. With the right approach, you can tap into a massive market and expand your gaming income potential. Step 9. Collaborate and network with fellow gamers. Don't be an island in the gaming world. Connect with other content creators, join gaming communities, and collaborate on projects. By working together, you can reach a wider audience, gain exposure, and open doors to new opportunities you may not have discovered on your own. And finally, my fellow gamers, step 10 is all about the business side of gaming. Take the time to educate yourself about business strategies, marketing techniques, and entrepreneurship. Understanding the industry and having a solid business foundation will not only help you monetize your gaming hobby, but also ensure long-term success in the ever-evolving gaming world. And there you have it, folks. 10 steps to turn your gaming hobby into a lucrative source of income. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, conquer the virtual worlds, and let your bank account level up alongside your gaming skills. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our gaming content. Until next time, keep gaming and keep earning.